You never really understand how cool having one of these is until it's actually in front of you. Essentially, this is a 32-inch tablet that, well, doubles as a TV, or a 32-inch TV that doubles as a tablet. Today, we're taking a look at the Kefeya 32-inch portable touch screen tablet TV, an interactive display on wheels. You're getting a 1080p Full HD IPS touchscreen that delivers a crisp image with a 170-degree viewing angle. Take a look. As I turn the screen around, you're going to notice that you're not going to see any weird color shifts or drastic fading, which is perfect when you have multiple eyeballs on this from a wide angle. All thanks to its IPS technology, or its IPS screen. Now, since this does feature Android 13, that means you have access to your favorite Android features, but more importantly, the Google Play Store. So you can download apps that can take advantage of your 32-inch tablet TV. Maybe you remember going to the arcade and playing bigger-than-life games like Fruit Ninja, swiping and slashing across the screen. Well, you're now getting that same cool experience at home or wherever you want to put this. Enjoy popular streaming apps like Google TV, Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Prime Video. You can now use this as your personal portable bigger screen display. Here's an example. Let's just say you're running a bath and you want to be entertained. Just slide it on in, adjust your viewing angle and height, and enjoy whatever you like. Or maybe you want to pull this up bedside. Put something cozy on, help you fall asleep, or catch up on your favorite shows. Depending if you have a TV or not at your place, you can slide this in and out from one room to another. I personally can see how this could be useful for little ones who might be sick. Speaking about the little ones, I found that its 32-inch touchscreen tablet to be super fun and interactive with my kids when they're doing their learning exercises. And since this is touchscreen and it connects to the internet, they really get into the lessons and treat it like a video game. Me personally, when I'm cooking, while I don't mind using my smartphone, let me be honest, it's way tinier screen that pulls me away from what I'm doing. But with the Kefeya, I slide it right on in, pick something that'll entertain me like a cool YouTube video or a show. And at the same time, I can look up delicious recipes on this with big clear pictures and text when making dinner. Maybe you like to barbecue. Slide this bad boy outside and don't miss a game, a show, or your favorite steak tutorial. I think you're starting to get the point. Now, since this is a portable display, on a full charge, you're gonna get 6 hours of use from this. So from my experience, that's plenty of time to entertain me no matter what I'm doing. Okay, let's get to the TV-centric aspect of this. It does feature an HDMI port on the back, so plug in gaming systems, TV boxes, or whatever. Me, personally, I found it useful connecting retro gaming devices to this and playing on a bigger screen. Or you can connect your Nintendo Switch like we did. Or using this as a second monitor for my laptop. The tablet also comes with a remote and volume buttons on the back, along with 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port, and an 8-watt speaker. At this port, I'm sure your mind is really connecting scenarios where this could be valuable for you. So let me give you my final thoughts on the Kefeya 32-inch tablet TV. Now, I love how I can treat this as a tablet and orient the display for the function that I need. It being on wheels, right, makes it very easy to move around the house. The IPS screen gives me a beautiful image that doesn't take me out when seeing at wide angles. And it having Android support, well, I'm right at home using it as a tablet I'm already familiar with. If I had to give it a critique, I do wish it was higher end on the specs. While I think the 128 gigabits internal storage is enough space for apps for this, its internal 6 gigabits of internal memory means if you have too many things open at once, you're gonna feel a performance hit. All right, really hope this video helped you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, if you like what's going on here, hit that like button. If you love what's going on here, hit that subscribe button and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.